I just watched a video on how to fix this warning malfunction, and so I'm going to try it and see if it works. From there, I'm going to go to here. Let's see if I can do this right. And I'm going to come over till I get to settings. And then I'm going to push, see this little enter button right there? I'm going to push that enter button and go to driver assistance, driver aids. Let's see. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to take that off and see if it does anything. See if it does anything for me. I'm not sure. No warnings. It came off. So, yay. I'm not sure why or what that means, but I'm going to have to look that up.